Hello everyone, I hope you are good. Today I'm going to deal with the present simple tense. As we know, the present simple tense is very important to study English and to write sentences, paragraphs, essays, etc. So, we use present simple to say that something happens all the time or repeatedly, or something is true in general. It is not important whether the action is happening at the time of speaking. Like, for example, the earth goes round the sun. Remember that we add s to he, she, and it, and we add nothing to I, we, you, they. In other words, the verb, when we conjugate the verb with he and she and it, we add the s. But with I, we, you, and they, we add nothing. Examples: we say I speak, but he speaks. We don't say I speaks and he speak. No, I speak, but he speaks. They teach, but she teaches. She teaches. We use do and does to make question form and negative form. In the question form, there are many examples to understand more. Do they work? We say do they work. We don't say does they work. Do they work? As the s, we add the s with he, she, and it. We say that we use. In other words, we use does with he, she, and it. As the next examples: do they work? Do you work? Do we work? Do I work? And we say, does he work? We don't add the s with the verb. When we use does or do, the verb, it remain in the infinitive. We don't add s or something else. Does he work? Does she work? We don't say does he works. Does he work? We remove the s. When we use does, we remove the s. Does it work? Whereas in the negative form, we say, I use examples to understand more. We say, I do not work. We do not work. You do not work. They do not work. Whereas with he, she, and it, we say, he does not work. She does not work. It does not work. We can say do not, and the other way we say don't. It is the same, but we can use the two, do not or don't. It's the same. Does not, doesn't. Examples: I am from China. Where do you come from? What does this word mean? In the following examples, do is also the main verb. So do, we use do as a verb. Like, for example, what do you do? What do you do? I.e., it means what is your job? What do you work? What do you do? ماذا تفعل? He is so lazy. He doesn't do anything to help me. He doesn't do anything to help me. We also use the present simple when we say how often we do things. How often we do things. I get up at 8 o'clock. every morning. I get up at 8 o'clock every morning. It's every day. When we do things every day, we use the present simple. I get up at 8 o'clock every morning. أنهض كل يوم على 8 كل صباح أنهض على الساعة 8. Lina doesn't drink tea very often. In summer, Muhammad usually plays tennis once or twice a week. مرة أو مرتين في الأسبوع. To be. We all know that to be is in auxiliary. We have to be and to have. To be in the present simple. Examples. I am a pupil. I am, it is to be in the present simple with the personal pronoun I. I am a pupil. I am a pupil. We are in school. Are is to be in the present with the personal pronoun we. They are from Iraq. They are from Iraq. You are wrong. You are wrong. We use are with they and you and we. And then she is 20 years old. She is 20 years old. Is to be in the present with the personal pronoun she. We also use is with he and it. He is a dentist. He is a dentist. It is a dangerous animal. It is a dangerous animal. To be in the negative form. To be in the negative form. I am not a student. We don't say I do, we don't, in other words, we don't use do with to be. We use not to be in the present simple plus not. I am not a student. I am not a student. We are not late. We are not late. They are not from Canada. They are not from Canada. You are not from here. You are not from here. She is not absent. She is not absent. He is not normal. It is not my fault. It is not my fault. We can say I am not. We can say I'm not. And also we can say I amn't. I amn't. We can say we are not. We can say also we're not. We're not. We can say also we aren't. We aren't. Abbreviate the verb. She is not. She is not. She's not. She's not. She isn't. She isn't. To be in the interrogative form. When we say interrogative form, that means ask a question. Ask a question. In interrogative form. A. Am I wrong? Am I wrong? Yes, you are. No, you aren't. Are you 30? Are you 30? Yes, I am. No, I am not. Is he your friend? Yes, he is. No, he isn't. Are they lost? Yes, they are. No, they aren't. we move to the second auxiliary, which is to have. To have in the present simple. When we use have, we also use with it got. I have got a car. We have got a big class. You have got brown eyes. They have got a good teacher. She has got a tall hair. He has got a nice watch. It has got a long tail. We use have with I, we, you, they. We use has with she, he, it. We can say I have got. We can say also I've got. I've got. He has got. He's got. He's got. To have in the negative form. I have not got a new car. We don't say I have got not. I have not, we don't say I have got not. We say I have not got a new car. Not comes between have and got. Between has and got. We have not got a cinema in our village. You have not got a new book. They have not got a good headmaster. She has not got a pen. He has not got a chair. It has not got a long tail. We say I have not got, and also we can say I've not got, and also we can say I haven't got. I haven't got. She has not got. She's not got. She hasn't got. She hasn't got. To have in the interrogative form. A. Have you got a mobile? Have you got a mobile? We start with the auxiliary have when we ask question. When we use to have in the interrogative form, we start the sentence with have. Have you got a mobile? Have you got a mobile? Yes, I have. No, I haven't. Have they got a car? No, they have not. Yes, they have. We don't say yes, they have got. We just say yes, they have. Has Shayma got long hair? Yes, she has. No, she has not. Has your uncle got a gun? No, he hasn't. This is the lecture of the present simple tense. In order to test your knowledge, you can do these activities. Exercise 1. Complete the sentences using one of the following. These exercises in order to understand more and well. Complete the sentences using one of the following. Cause, close, drink, live, open, take place. Take place. Cause means I will translate these verbs into Arabic. This for the beginner to help them to understand more. Cause means يسبب. Close يغلق. Drink يشرب. Live يعيش. Open يفتح. Take a place يحدث. take place يحدث. I never cafe, the swimming pool at 9 o'clock and at 6:30 every day. Bad driving, many accidents. My parents in a very small flat. The Olympic Games every 4 years. For the second exercises or the second activity, put the verb into the correct form. Example, Jane doesn't drink. I give you which is between the brackets, and you conjugate the verb into the correct form. Jane doesn't drink, between bracket, not /drink, tea very often. What time the banks close in Britain? Where George come from? What you do? It take me an hour to get to work. How long it take you? I play the piano, but I not play very well. This is the lecture of today. So I hope you understand well, and see you next time. Goodbye.